In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to average with errors in Excel. If you've ever tried to average a column of numbers in Excel and ran into pesky errors like had div 0, had an A, or value, you've probably noticed that a regular average formula can break and return an error itself. The good news is there's a simple, reliable way to get the correct average while completely ignoring those error cells. We'll do it with one clean formula, and it takes just a moment to set up. First, click the cell where you want the average to appear. Pick a clear spot, such as a summary cell at the bottom or top of your data, so it's easy to reference later. This is where your final result will live. Next, type the formula exactly like this. Aggregate 1006, then select the range you want to average and close the parenthesis. For example, you might end up with something like aggregate 1006 B2 B50. Press enter, and your average will appear instantly, without being derailed by any error values in that range. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Aggregate is a multifunction tool in Excel that can perform many summary calculations while letting you choose what to ignore. The first argument, 1, tells Excel to perform an average. The second argument, 6, tells it to ignore error values in the range. The range you select is simply the list of cells you want to average, so this one formula averages all valid numbers and skips over cells with errors, which is exactly what you want when your data isn't perfectly clean. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. When selecting your range, you can drag to highlight it, or click the first cell and shift-click the last cell to select a long block quickly. If you plan to copy the formula to other places, consider locking the range with $signs, like B2 as B50, so it doesn't shift as you paste. If your range includes blanks or text, don't worry. Those are naturally ignored by an average, and Aggregate will still handle errors gracefully. This approach works in modern versions of Excel and is particularly helpful in datasets that pull in external values or lookups where errors can show up unpredictably. And that's it. Click your result cell, use ESAUS Aggregate 1006, your range, and press Enter. You'll get a clean, accurate average that ignores error cells every time. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.